Dear friends, welcome to Culinary Hub. In continuation of our culinary journey of 60 dishes from 20 different countries, today we present Chicken Murtabak, a dish that originated from Yemen, from the Arabian Peninsula, and quite popular in Southeast Asia, especially Indonesia. For the ingredients, please refer the description section. We upload new videos every Saturday. Please subscribe to our channel and hit on the bell icon for the latest updates. First, I will sift the flour with few pinches of salt. Then I'll drizzle little amount of cooking oil. Mix all these three ingredients thoroughly. Then I'll add little amount of water at a time and combine all the dry ingredients to form a dough. I have kneaded into a very soft dough. This I will allow it to rest for half an hour. Now for the filling, I have cleaned the leeks thoroughly. I will chop it. Instead of leeks, you can use green onions. Then I have chopped red onion and minced the chicken. Then I'll heat up a pot, add little amount of cooking oil to it. Then I'll add the chopped red onions and saute it for 2 to 3 minutes. Then I'll add the chopped garlic. Then in goes the chicken mince. You can use lamb mince as well. Then I'll add the seasoning. Mix it. Add a very little amount of water. Put the lid on and cook till the meat is done. Then I'll break 2 eggs. Then add little amount of chopped onion to it and chopped leeks and season it with little amount of salt and little bit of black pepper powder. Mix all these ingredients. And then I'll add this to the meat mixture. I'm not adding too many eggs so that the filling is not runny. The dough has rested thoroughly. Let me knead so that gluten is developed and the dough is really stretchy. Then I'll divide the dough in small portions. Dust with flour and then roll as thin as possible. Since the dough is very stretchy, I can roll it very thin. Then I will spread the prepared meat and egg filling and fold the edges such that it forms a neat small packet. Any extra dough, you can trim it out. Then it is the time to cook this murtabak. I have heated a skillet, place the prepared murtabak over it, cook it on one side, flip it, cook it on the other side, drizzle with little amount of cooking oil, and with gentle pressing I will cook on both the sides till it is done. It is ready for serving. Please enjoy and put up your comments in the comment section. Please like, subscribe and click the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.